Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again from Seattle, Washington. I'm up on a rooftop right now. I wanted to answer the question for you guys, why can't you find hot products to sell on Amazon anymore in 2018? Now the cold hard truth is, looking for a one-off, one trending, one hit wonder product is not what Amazon wants you to do, and honestly they're not going to want to rank you for that kind of product anyway, guys. What Amazon really wants you to do is build a brand where you have followings on social media and you're getting external traffic to your Amazon listing. How much more does Amazon like that than you making sales on a product that's a one-hit wonder? The platform of Amazon has opened a whole new age of actual digital marketing, guys. When you think about what brands are and what they're now becoming, you can look at Nordstrom's and Macy's and all these big name stores, Target and Best Buy. They're actually all going out of business, guys, because of something called brand fragmentation. This is a huge thing that's happened on Amazon, and it's where people like me and other sellers on Amazon actually build their own brands and offer more competitive prices than the big name box stores are selling products for. You can find more variations in the types of products that people like to buy, and Amazon loves to push people that are actually building brands inside of Amazon. They're going to give you so much more rank juice if you're building a brand. This is all that I really try to stress to people in my Amazon course, as well as throughout all of my videos, guys. You don't want to find a product that's going to be a one-hit wonder, because what you're going to find is you might have success, but it's not going to be a longevity type product at all. One thing that you guys got to realize is that for every product on Amazon, there's always going to be competition. Even if you find a hot winning thing that seems like it's the perfect product, you got to be aware that there's going to be competitors coming in for it. So that's why you need to focus on actually being 5 steps ahead of some of these other guys that are possibly going to come in and try and take the easy route to sell a product. That's why bundling is always super crucial, guys. You want to think about that 2-pack idea or any other kind of thing that can differentiate you from a number of other competitors coming in to sell. If you don't differentiate and do the easy route like everyone else does, all you're going to be able to do is compete for price and lower and lower your price until your profit margins are barely even breaking even. So with kind of the training that I provide, you guys are able to mitigate all that risk, because in my course and my personal mentorship, I'm there helping you guys 110%, and I want to have your phone number so we can literally hop on the phone. I answer all your questions, and I pretty much make sure that the products you're looking to sell are good, and then I give you ideas of ways that you can even bundle them if you can't think of any yourself. So I'm really trying to hold the hand of all my students and really build the success of them so that I can later kind of use them as success stories on my YouTube channel, and it's pretty much a win-win for both of us. So you'll have success, maybe think you hit it big, and the next thing you know, wow, the trend is over. The Google Trends is showing that that product is sinking down and it's no longer great. A big problem also is that those products on Jungle Scout or Viral Launch that you find that have the best sales numbers and really low competition, low reviews, those are the ones that you're going to realize get saturated the fastest. That's where a whole bunch more people come in and start selling that product. And that's because you're finding a product that has the best numbers. Everyone's going to be able to find that. Now let's talk about building a brand real quick for you guys that are actually serious about selling on Amazon. What you want to do is actually find a product in an already existing popular niche. So if we're talking yoga, for instance, you don't want to go sell a yoga mat because there's so many people selling them. But if you can find a yoga block or something with a little less competition, that can be your first product. And maybe it only makes you a couple $1,000s a month. But from there, you can start scaling into some water bottles that are paired with different yoga type products and building out your brand that way in the yoga niche. Now the key to this, and actually to rank these products, is to actually build a social media following. I've made previous videos talking about how to grow Instagrams for your Amazon products, as well as Facebook pages and groups. When you're able to do this, and there's so many free groups you guys can already go find, for instance, in the yoga niche, and start talking to people and seeing what they like and what's new and up and coming. If you can find those trending products, you don't want to just hit it big with them. You want to think long-term and products that you can actually build a brand around. So this is a quick video I wanted to talk about. You can't find products that are going to be one-off winners like the fidget spinner, because they're going to do great for a while, they're going to get oversaturated, and then they're going to go flat broke. And people I've known selling fidget spinners were stuck with 10,000 different fidget spinners in inventory because they couldn't sell out. There were too many people that started selling them, and then everyone starts lowering their price. There's no competitive advantage because everyone was just selling one fidget spinner. One of the best tips I can give to you guys to differentiate your products is find a product that is selling really well on Amazon by itself, And if you can see no other sellers are selling a 2-pack of it, go ahead and look into start selling a 2-pack. Again, to find these products in general, guys, you go to Alibaba.com. Every time I tell someone who doesn't know what that is, they start cracking up and laughing. They're like, that's some kind of wizard from a movie I watched. But Alibaba is a real website. They're Chinese manufacturers and manufacturers all over the world. When you think about it, every product from Target, Macy's, or these other big box stores are always outsourced from foreign countries. Now, if you can be the one who's the middleman between you and your customer, then you're going to be able to make a lot more profit than if you're buying a product wholesale already in the United States. So that's why we go overseas. You're able to make profit margins so much more, so much better. And the best thing about it, guys, is that you can customize whatever you want and your supplier's willing to do it for you. So think about building a brand, and that's going to be about all I wanted to share with you in this video. I have a lot more updates of my own products coming. Things are really kicking off, guys. So I'm happy for everyone subscribed to this channel. And if you want to learn more or jump in our FBA Facebook group, the links will be down below, and I'm always there for you guys. Any of my Amazon students, I've given my phone number out to every single one of them. So if you guys are looking to start selling and having a real personal mentorship, I'm your guy, guys. So Luke W, over and out. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.